Pick a color that you love. Let's go with hot pink. And next, a satisfying sound is unwrapping candy, chip chewing, footsteps.
They have a stick one out there.
Unwrapping candy because I love candy. Yep. Hold on, Tink. Smells yummy too. Pick a smell. Ooh. What are we gonna do? What are we gonna do? What are we gonna do? Birthday cake. Your BFF is. Who is my BFF? Your BFF is empathetic, chill and relaxed, hilarious and hyper, a superhero, totally messy, smarty pants, magical, a lead in every play, the first one to jump in, quirky, a personal cheerleader who always has your back, a personal cheerleader who will always have my back.
Oh my God, put that one too.
If you can snap your fingers and transport yourself, where do you go? A hot sand on the tropical beach. Things you like to do. Cook, dive in the metaverse, travel the world, blasting music, reading a quiet place, draw, dance. No one's watching any type of sport. Travel the world. If you couldn't collect anything, what would it be? Sign experience, clothes and shoes, makeup and beauty products, cosmetics. Clothes and shoes. Makeup and beauty products. Calculating your results. Who is it? Who's my sidekick? All right. Glue. Oh, that's my sidekick. That's my sidekick. Hello. And this is Qatar's sidekick.
She said sloomoo is over the top.
Oh, let me get the video. Oh.
Girl who loves boba tea, anime, and the latest sneaker drops, and kooky makeup. She had a strong sense of personal style and fiercely independent personality.
Clock that.